Free monitor,
Ay,
free air
nakakita lang
fryer.
ganyan.
You can save up to 14,000 pesos off.
Ibang level yung perks na makukuha mo. Ano ba yan? Saka yung nakakita ng mga ang dami mong magagawa.
Grabe yun!
Nakakainis naman yung mga ganyan, tol.
Dami pa pala ibang perks dito.
Huwag nyo nalang sabihin, dito nyo napanood, ha, na kami nagturo sa inyo ng mga ganyan.
Multitasking at
Diba?
its finest, no?
Yung phones nyo or devices nyo, it's not just about, again, the quality of the content, it's not just about the resolution, pero syempre yung capability niya to keep up with the editing as well.
Guys, ano rin pala, ang dami pa pala ibang perks dito. Meron rin tayong 0% interest
Yes.
up to 24 months installment no via selected bank partners, up to 15% off on selected banks. And again, guys, get the first 3 months of Samsung Care plus free when you subscribe to a 2-year monthly plan.
You have an exclusive phone style bundle of up to 5,999 pesos. Tapos may free clear magnet case ka na that's worth 2,590. You have a free travel adapter worth almost 3,000 pesos.
Dami.
Ang dami.
Again, meron tayong installment payment para hindi kayo mahirapan, diba guys? Convenient na yan. And ang dami nating colors and as nakikita nyo naman available yung mga iba't ibang devices natin.
Can you imagine yung convenience nito kapag ka corporate person ka or
Oo.
parang business owner ka rin? To all those aspiring creators out there,
Yeah.
may it be in terms of games,
Yeah.
in terms of the type of content that we do, whether you're dancing or you're raging,
Yeah.
di ba? Mag-games ka dito sa ano,
Pwede.
kunwari, may ginagawa ka dito sa isang side, tas dito sa kabilang side.
Grabe, no?
Pwede mo talagang gawin eh.
Meron rin tayong perks for all our gadgets sa lahat ng mag-check out, diba? Mag-pre-order. There is 50% again off your storage upgrade, up to 14,000 pesos off on the 1 terabyte variant.
And then, ang longest installment options natin up to 36 months. So, di ba
Grabe.
sabi ko sa'yo, pare, when you upgrade to these phones, parang ang assumption mo, hindi lang siya one-time, big-time, parang spread across the board. Mag-pre-order na kayo. Pwede na nga itong early Christmas gift.
Oo.
By the way, let's just talk about, syempre, yung retailer natin for today who's, releasing this Samsung Z8 series for us, guys. Yung phone style.
Umuulan sila ng mga pa-freebies and bundles.
Umuulan ng
Grabe.
freebies, umuulan ng bundles. If you want to make their next 2-3 years, di ba, you want to make sure that you pre-order here at Phone Style.
Pre-order na kayo,
One of
guys.
the